that there are a ton of critical issues that are facing us, that are facing our communities. We are looking at those needs across the board and working to advance those policies that are going to help.
To meaningful opportunities. Each Indigenous youth, when they faced hardship and survived against seemingly insurmountable odds.
Yo, what's up, guys? Day, what are we on? Day 4? Day 4.
I just got these new earrings. How they look? Comment below how the hell they look.
Weren't they like 100?
No,
200?
1500.
Anyways, we're doing workshops right now. Oh, yeah. How much? 500? 50? Dang. We just did a workshop. Where'd you go to?
Oh, my boy Sean. I went to the native law. Learned about native law.
And why do you want to do native law?
Trying to help the peoples out, bro. Are people really struggling?
Yeah.
We need help.
Yeah. Let me see the fit.
See these right here? I'm looking for some scissors. I'm trying to cut them off. These are ugly.
Hey, I was just about to ask him that.
The LGBTQ.
Which one did y'all go to? Which workshop?
To the law and for the Indian law.
Indian law. Y'all hear that? And why'd y'all go to that one?
Because we know how to argue and we think we want to be lawyers. Yeah.
All right. Now let me see the fits.
The backpack too.
Backpack. Dre, did you go to the workshop?
Yeah.
Which one did you go to?
Haskell.
Why did you go to that one?
To go see if I wanted to go to school there and get a scholarship.
How was it?
It was good.
Would you recommend more people go to that one?
Yes, I think it was really good.
All right.
Honestly.
You see the fit? Hey, what's up, man? I'm BT. I'm here with DT.
Yes, sir. We are with the Alabama Cashadas. We need to go back. Do what y'all got to do to get us to go back. That's all I got to say.
You hear that?
All right, I got to go, boys.
All right, peace.
Be safe.
Brooks,
What's up, BT?
you're the last one. Where'd you go to? Which workshop did you go to?
Some Indian law.
Indian law? Indian law?
Not gonna lie, it's pretty educational.
You gonna do that? You think about it?
Nah, probably. Not for me.
All right. Let me see the fit. He got the Superman shorts. Or he got the steppers. I'm wearing this jacket I got, $500. It was really like 60 or 70, something like that. Wearing just regular shorts.
That boy making bank for real though.
Air Forces. I want more shoes, but y'all won't subscribe. Y'all won't give me no money, so I can't buy no more shoes.
You get enough money. You get money.
We're going to the next workshop in a little bit. Oh, I gotta get Anisah too. Me personally, I wanted to go to the LGBT, because I got BT in my name, so it just makes sense. Hey, shout out to my LGBT fans. Subscribe. I support y'all. Everything. I support everybody, really. Peace. We're back. Anisah, which workshop did you go to?
I went to the law and all that, you know.
What do you think about that?
I don't know, I was falling asleep. For real.
Would you recommend more people go to that one?
Yeah, I do recommend that though.
All right, now let me see the fit.
Good check.
You got the earrings?
Yeah.
How much? 300?
35.
Bro, everybody.
Speaking of those earrings, I was about to get them.
Which one
I
you
picked
see?
them up. See, I picked them up first. So first come, first serve.
It's a blessing in disguise. Because I wouldn't have saw these.
All right, we're going to the next workshop. We'll see y'all later. Peace. Yo, what's up? We just going on lunch right now. Everybody in there. It's our group. Gladys is right there. About to go eat. Walking Washington. We show everything. Tanya, how do you feel so far?
I feel good. All the workshops have been very informative. Things that ideas and take a lot of information that I can take back home and share with your youth director. Not only with that, but within my own home, and just other children that I may come in contact with. It was very helpful. Really enjoyed it.
That's good. That's good. Who else? Who got something to say?
I got something to say. All right. Yo, Dre, I got something to say.
We went to the money workshop, and I'm gonna be honest. I walked in and I don't think nobody really talking in there, so I kind of just walked out, checked out the leadership one. I didn't get to check out the LGBT one.
That dude out in front of me.
What you say?
Gotta go. I'll see you later. Oh, there's a cat. Look. We get Mexican? I want a Philly cheesesteak. This is like our dog. I used to have cats. They all died. Y'all got cooked. How is it?
Good, man.
1 out of 10.
12.
Y'all heard it first.
Thank you. Oh, that's good. Now that's plus.
Oh, that looks cool. That looks oh. Is that the spicy one?
Yeah.
Yo, check this out. This is the Volcano Akira something ramen. Look at that. What you get, bro? What you get?
I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it. Something that starts with T, man.
It's like 10 to num something. 10 to num something.
What are you doing?
No, continue.
Nah, shit, nah.
Look at that.
That mango roll.
Mango roll. He said that's good. I don't even know how to eat this, to be honest. Look. Where's my soup? Yo, I just bought a new ride. Check it out. What would you call that? It's the Cloud 9.
You doing, the boy?
Hey, you wanna hop in my vlog?
Bro, you know what she just told me?
All right, buddy, let's go. Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Come on, have a good one.
Hey, all right, I'm here with
Joseph.
Jada,
and y'all from where?
Louisiana.
They're from the
Shadow Tribe.
Shadow
Tribe.
Louisiana
Tribe.
Shout out.
I don't know what to say. You guys should check out Native 21G.
Yeah, check it out. Check it out. You guys are cool. Look, we won a prize. Y'all want to show you guys prizes?
Oh, dude, definitely.
Oh, yeah, don't show the code. Don't show the code.
This is what happens when you work as a team. When you work with Native,
pounds, bro.
this is what happens. You win money.
I just got here.
Yeah.
You already know.
Yeah, hey.
I just got here. These boys carrying me.
Peace. See y'all later. Boom. Yo, what's up, guys? Now we finished the workshop. I got my gift card right there, and we about to get ready for the something. Yeah, I don't know. Get ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Then I'm gonna show the fits. Obviously, I gotta show the fits. But yeah, we're gonna get that all ready. Boom. What's up, guys? Native here, and we're going to the thing. I'm all dressed up. Let me see the fit. You kind of see it. Brooks with the lemon pepper steppers. Let's go.
In my workshop, I will not only give the description of
Yo, what is up, guys? We're back
Banquet.
on the banquet. Let me see the fits. Oh, my fault. Adios. The tyreniii.
Guys, I got the feeling. I got the feeling.
Come here. Got you. All right. Brooks.
Anisah, what happened?
Hey, there's a lot of dancing in there, a lot of pushing, some glow sticks everywhere. Oh my god.
Sorry, chat. I had to tap out. My moves were too hard. They were too hard. I had, I couldn't show everybody else, so I had to step out for a little bit. And my legs are hurting too. Yo, we're back. Just got done.
Hey man, my shirt's like drenched. You can't see me. You hear me talk?
It's crazy. We lost everybody. Brooks didn't make it. Fortunately, he got stomped on. He couldn't keep up. He was like that. I guess. Y'all trying to get some food?